Hey guys, welcome back to another online banking guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your ANB Bank's online banking account from your mobile device. So first of all, go to your Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar type in ANB Bank. After that, scroll down and then download the app called ANB Mobile, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now you can select your language. Now once you've selected your language, you'll be given three options: sign in, enroll to online banking, and then open new account. Since we're just going to log into our account, we'll tap on the option sign in. Now in order to log in, enter your username, your password, and once you tap sign in, you'll be successfully logged in to your ANB Bank's online banking account from your mobile device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.